Okay, I have the ASUS V3607V laptop here, and got the screws along the edges. I've already taken the screws out, but make sure you note that these screws need to be in specific order because of the fact that some screws are longer than other screws. So you have some long screws and some short screws, and you want to make sure, like I said, I just basically kind of diagrammed it out the way I took them off. Now, once we pull the back cover off, you'll note that they have one 16 gigabyte memory stick in here. So I'm upgrading to 96 gigabyte of memory. And it's actually two slots that exist right here. So the first slot you want to put in here like so. Get it just right and try not to touch too much of the stick. Let's see here. This is a little tricky, but you can pretty much get it slid in there. There we go. You just snap it down. Once you slide it in, you snap it down. Make sure it's snug and secured. And the next one sits right on top of it. Just like this right here. And just snap that one down as well. And after you're done, I'm going to put everything back together. Press on it first so it'll snap in place. You'll kind of hear it snapping. And then you can start putting your screws back in. And that's pretty much it. Thanks.